Turn it on. Yeah, kitty. How do you figure it out?
I thought it was a real cat. I want to be a real boy.
Oh.
Wait.
Kitty. Does it move? Oh gosh, it's growling at you. And meow. Oh, oh, oh. Hi, kitty. Put it by the bathroom door. Go put it by the bathroom. So she gets out of here. Go, go, go. Shut the door.
I'm so mean.
You naughty girl. Naughty. What?
I felt something sharp. Why do I pee so much?
I gotta go too. Okay. I think we should just like not drink anything for the rest of our lives. Oh.
Then I gotta get so thirsty all the time.
Sad face. Oh. Here you go.
What? What? What are you talking about? This is not.
Kitty! I love